Why are the high beams on the whole time? That can't be right. The high beams are on all the time. That means great visibility for me. But what about oncoming traffic? Won't they be dazzled by my lights? I'm sure Nicole can help me with this.
Hey Daniel, how's it going? Are you still driving around this late at night?
Yeah, I had some things to do. I have a question. The high beams are on all the time at the Golf. What's up with that?
So that is a really good feature. Your Golf comes with IQ Light and Dynamic Light Assist. What this means is you can have your high beams on all the time and you're not going to blind anyone that's coming towards you. This is because your Golf has an LED light matrix.
Sounds interesting. How does it work?
So your Golf has 22 individual LEDs in each headlight. And there's a camera that's detecting if there's any cars coming towards you. When it detects one, it's going to dim the LEDs that would be lighting up the person's face. But it's keeping the LEDs on high beam that are just lighting up the road.
I never noticed this driving in the city. How does the system know where I am?
Right, so depending on the driving situation, IQ Light will choose between 10 different interactive lighting functions. So let's say you're on a country road. You're going to have a wide spectrum low beam that's very bright and lighting up a lot of your field of view. And when you come upon a traffic sign, or like say a speed limit sign, you know how sometimes there's some glare? Well, IQ Light will actually mask it and it won't light it up, so you'll be able to read the signs clearly. So you're going to have a very strong peripheral view, but it's going to be super clear. What's really cool is that the car uses your speed and GPS data in order to figure out which mode to use.
Okay, and there is nothing I have to do? Not even switching to low beams?
Now, if you're using automatic lights, Dynamic Light Assist will automatically be turned on. But you can, of course, turn your high beams on and off manually if you want. Head on over to the menu and you can turn off Dynamic Light Assist. You can also turn on bad weather mode.
That's awesome. Thanks for your help, Nicole. That was really illuminating. If you were social media, I would like to follow you.
Glad I could be so illuminating. Talk to you again soon, Daniel. Bye.
Okay then. Bye.
Volkswagen.